Hey guys, Santa Cruz Bicycle Philippines here. Today we're here at Cortera Eco Reserve to do a track review for our upcoming community ride on May 17. Again, dito yan sa Cortera Eco Reserve at San Mateo Rizal. We're gonna do a track preview on the 3 available tracks and of course our Ahon Trail, which is the trail going back up dito yan sa Octagon or our base camp. And we're gonna do it with our Santa Cruz Heckler, which is the full power version of Santa Cruz e-bike. Guys, if you want to purchase the Santa Cruz Heckler SL, we're still on sale, part of our summer sale. You can avail of the Santa Cruz Heckler, which is the full power version of their e-bike, and the Santa Cruz Heckler SL, which is the lighter version of the e-bike, on a big discount. So again, part yan ng summer sale natin. Just send us a message for your inquiries. And to spice things up, we're gonna do a night ride here at Cortera Eco Reserve. If you wanna join the community ride on May 17, registration link on the video description. Everyone's welcome. Kahit hindi kayo naka Santa Cruz, everybody's welcome. For the Santa Cruz bike owners, they are entitled to raffle items, yung mga giveaways natin. But yeah, everybody's welcome to join. Dito yan sa Cortera Eco Reserve. The orange line, intermediate level siya, flowy line with some ascents or may mga ahon bits along the way. So yeah, approximately 1.5 kilometers itong orange line. Again, difficulty level is intermediate or moderate. So kayang-kaya, we're gonna do this night ride dito sa Cortera Eco Reserve. Alright guys, let's hop into it. Okay, orange line, let's go! Yeah. Woo. Ahon! Let's go! Whoa! Nice! Oy! Nadulas ako! Slippery.
nakatago pala doon.
Okay, so next stop is yung Heckler line natin, which is the intermediate line. This is also the longest trail dito sa Cortera Eco Reserve, approximately 2.2 kilometers. So the trail is characterized by a flowy trail, meron siya mga roller coaster or yung mga dip, and then afterwards merong ascent. But don't worry, wide siya, safe siya, hindi madulas yung mga bridge natin dito. And yeah, this is probably the flowiest trail dito sa Cortera Eco Reserve.
Purple. Oh, roots. Roller coaster type. Nice. Okay. Mababa lang daw. Wow. Woo! Sarap. Roller coaster na wide. Another one. Let's go! Oh. Okay. Sagasa lang. Okay. Ew! Pang-anim na nila. Start ka dito. Tapos may hip jump. Okay. Sige. Oh! Ah! Oh! Saan na tayo napunta, guys? Sketchy. Saan nga lang ako napunta eh. Hindi nata nasundan. Uy, shortcut, pwede yun ah. Oo nga eh.
First trail natin is yung Nomad or yung A-line nila. This is the most technical trail here sa Cortera Eco Reserve. The Nomad Trail is characterized by a lot of routes, especially on the first part. Hindi lang siya routes guys, malalaking routes na sunod-sunod. However, still manageable naman in my opinion. And don't worry, meron din option line dun sa may mga mini drops nila and mini jumps. Meron yan A-line for the main line dun sa drops and jumps. And if you're not into jumps, meron din naman B-line for the option line dun sa mga drops natin. Again, Nomad line is probably our most technical trail, Cortera Eco Reserve. And don't forget, we're gonna do this night ride dito yan sa Cortera on May 17. Alright guys, let's hop into it.
Wow! Woo! Oh! Ooh, tight turns. Ah! Grabe, tight turn. Nomad line. Uy, madulas yun ah. Oh, Ah! Tumalapan. Woo! Ahon bits. So, dami talaga siyang ugat. Yeah, boy! May mga ahon din pala, ano. Yeah, boy! Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're here at the bottom part of the trail. The trail going back dun sa Octagon or dun sa base camp is called Ahon. So it's approximately 1.5 kilometers going up and then moderate ang terrain. So try natin i-time yung trail going up using our e-bike, which is the Santa Cruz Heckler. Check natin kung mahirap ba or kung yung distance and at the same time yung time going up using our e-bike. Alright, let's hop into it.
G.
Ibang-iba na yung tsura. Oo nga eh.
G. Rocket mo, rocket. Malaki ba yung difference nito kuya, yung boost ng Heckler, no? Sa ahon. Oo. Heckler talaga. Hanap niya. Wala eh. Yung bala, hindi siya nag-reply. Sayang yung Heckler, diniscontinue nila. Yung ano, Bosch. Gusto ko pa naman to kesa dyan. Oo, no? Ito yung ginamit mo sa 7-Eleven, kuya. Kung yung SL kaya doon, kakayanin. Parang tinitipid mo pa din. Oo nga pala, sa power nga pala. Pero yung mga Chinese na e-bike, di ba, walang limiter. So kung parehas kayo ng endurance, power, maunahan ka talaga. Skills, so hindi, kung parehas kayo lahat,
Ano tayo?
maunahan ka niya eh, no?
Oo. Ang 32 tayo.
Siya, wala.
Oo, kaya niya tumakbo ng 50, 60.
Yung Kalawali, wala yun, di ba?
Wala.
Oo naman. Malaki factor yun.
Champion. Si Ariel, Dartmoor.
Oo. Pero batak yun.
Kalaban niya. Santa Cruz. Low-key.
Oo.
Specialized.
Basta may motor.
Sa ibang countries, chine-check.
Hmm.
Bawal lang.